So it's a really exciting day here at Colonial Gardens. We have been working for a long time to get our property ready to accept different types of farm animals. It's really important for us to be able to show folks how animals and agriculture work together in harmony and how they can be really complementary. We are really excited to be able to partner with Manna Meadows out of Bonner Springs, Kansas, and Hasselbring's Harmony Ranch out of Concordia, Missouri.
And my name is Sharon Hymas. My husband Brian and I own Manna Meadows Alpacas. We brought the two Wakaya alpacas. The black one is Bonnie, and the white one's name is Patty Mac. They're thinking ahead so much here at Colonial Gardens, and we are very excited to be involved in a partnership with them. We're excited to come out and give some classes, excited that our animals are here and that the public can learn about alpacas. We just think that's so important.
My name is Patty Hasselbring, and my husband Britt and I own Hasselbring's Harmony Ranch. We brought 3 Surrey alpacas. We brought Frankie, Pebbles, and China. We're very excited that we're in partnership with Colonial Gardens. Looking forward to doing some education with people here. I think there are going to be a lot of great opportunities for people to get involved.
One of the other really exciting things that having the alpacas will allow us to do is to offer alpaca products in our store. It's not just an animal experience, but there's product that we can produce from their fleece and sell in the store to help educate folks as well on all the benefits that alpacas bring. We're really excited for what that partnership looks like because it opens up the door for us to do programming and workshops. We're really excited to be able to have this opportunity to open it up to the public, to grow a local business here in Blue Springs, and to be able to offer kids and families a really wonderful time when they come out.